Yeah, they moved in.
Nice. Nice.
Nice, Jay. You're something other, dude. Why not?
Yo, for real? I'm dead.
Jungle, Jay. Nice try, dude.
What? 42. 42 in jungle.
This is too bad, man. I'm dead.
I expect a clutch.
Oh my god.
Last guy, anybody?
No idea.
There he is. Yo! Yo, you are buying that Canadian flag now. You are singing the national anthem. You are going in.
I'll believe in you. That's all. No, I didn't hear anybody else say, "Oh yeah, Juice, I think you got it too." No,
Yo, fwiz, man,
just
thank
me,
you so
homie.
much, bud. I appreciate the love.
Wow, that's nuts, dude.
Yo, that 4
I'm
HP.
gonna get a Canadian flag tattoo somewhere in my next sleeve.
Yo, bro, if you do, man, I will. I don't even know, man. I'm gonna get your face right on my ass. Is that weird?
Yeah, I think
No.
so.
I already have Tim on my ass. Yeah.